Men often appreciate women who have the confidence to walk away if needed. It shows strength and self-respect, which can be very attractive. Whether you like it or not, men are drawn to women who aren't afraid to walk away. Taking responsibility for your life is key to making changes. When you own up to your choices and actions, you unlock the power to transform your situation. When you take responsibility for everything in your life, you gain the power to change it all. Life is about growing from merely existing to truly living with empathy and purpose. Taking small steps each day can help us move closer to being our best selves. Life is a journey from just being a person to truly being human. Let's take at least one step each day to move closer to that goal. Starting each day with a positive thought can really boost your mood. It helps train your brain to focus on the good, making you feel happier overall. Thinking one positive thought every morning can trick your brain into feeling happier. When you're clear about who you are and what brings you joy, other people's opinions become less important. Self-awareness and happiness should come from within, not from how others view you. The key is knowing who you are and what makes you happy. How others see you doesn't matter. Holding on to the wrong person can keep you from finding the right one. Sometimes letting go is necessary to make room for a better match. You'll never find the right person if you hold on to the wrong one. If someone isn't making an effort to be in your life, it's not worth chasing after them. Focus on those who genuinely value and invest in you. If people don't make an effort to be in your life, don't push too hard to be in theirs. It's not worth it. If someone genuinely values you, they'll make sure not to put themselves in a position where they might lose you. It's a sign of real care and commitment. Someone who truly values you would never risk losing you. Your choices directly impact your life. If you're unhappy with where you're at, it's a sign to start making different, better choices to create the life you want. Your life is shaped by your choices. If you're not happy with it, it's time to make better decisions. Listening to your gut is crucial. If something doesn't feel right, no matter how appealing it seems, it's wise to trust your instincts and walk away. Trust your gut feeling. If something doesn't feel right, even if it seems great, it's best to walk away. You can avoid seeing things you don't like, but you can't escape your feelings. Facing and understanding your emotions is essential for personal growth and inner peace. You can shut your eyes to things you don't want to see, but you can't ignore your feelings. Kindness is what truly makes someone beautiful. It outshines any physical appearance and leaves a lasting impact on everyone you meet. Kindness makes you the most beautiful person in the world, no matter your appearance. True beauty comes from within. It's about having a kind heart, a thoughtful mind, and a soul that shines. Outer appearances fade, but inner qualities are what truly makes someone beautiful. Beauty isn't just about having a pretty face. It's about having a kind mind, a loving heart, and a beautiful soul. Creating new, happy memories is a great way to heal from painful ones. It helps shift your focus to positive experiences and brings more joy into your life. Replace painful memories by making new, happy ones. When seeking a relationship, it's important to find someone who is your equal. A healthy relationship thrives on mutual respect and care, not on trying to change or fix someone. Falling in love with who they are now, rather than their potential, leads to a stronger and more fulfilling connection. When looking for a relationship, remember this: find an equal, not a project. Look for someone who takes care of themselves and can also care for you. Choose a partner you respect and who respects you. Don't fall in love with just their potential. Open communication is key to a healthy relationship. Sharing what's bothering you, even if you don't always agree, helps build trust and understanding. To have a healthy relationship, you need to talk about what bothers you, even if you don't always agree. Taking time each week to relax, care for yourself, and connect with uplifting people is crucial. It boosts your mood and health, making life more enjoyable. Plus, unplugging from your phone lets you fully savor these moments. Each week, remember to make time for what truly matters. Relax and recharge your mind and body. Don't push yourself too hard. Take good care of yourself and spend time with people who make you happy. Do things that make you smile and forget about your phone.